Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about the serpentine crawl. The serpentine crawl is crawling like a serpent or moving your spine like a fish. And this is such a great movement because, well, one, your spine is made to move, and two, it can help your body remember how to move your body underneath your head when you're upright, and that's pretty important too. Anyway, this is a great way to play to mobilize your spine, and we've done this before. But today I'm going to remind you how to do it forward, but then I'm going to tease you with, what if you imagine you could do it backwards too? Tease is probably the wrong word, but I'm going to invite you to do it backwards. Anyway, so the serpentine crawl it's like you're doing a Stevie Wonder with your head as you're crawling, almost like a Komodo dragon or even Spider-Man. And you can see this puts your body, it moves your head over your hand. Is it head over foot, head over hand? Really, it's body under head. But all that to say is you just Stevie Wonder your way along, and it allows your spine to start articulating or moving in an S or serpentine-like fashion. But that's going forward. What if you did it backwards and you took your tailbone, which is like a little triangle, and you took that triangle and you started trying to do this too to get your spine to move in that same fashion from the bottom up. This takes some imagination and a little bit of practice. And even if you don't get it right, but you imagine that you're doing it, you're probably doing it fairly decent. So what we're going to do is we're going to aim that triangle back and see if we can get the head to follow. So this feels a little weird, but you're going to feel movement in your pelvis and your lower spine and up through your shoulder blades. And it may not look any different whatsoever other than the fact that you're going backwards instead of forward. But if you do it right, or halfway right, you can feel your spine start to articulate. And if nothing else, it'll make you more aware of your pelvis and that you have one, and they're made to move too. So again, we can Stevie Wonder forward, which feels really good, or we can Stevie Wonder backwards, which is kind of weird, I know. But we're just taking that tailbone, and I like you. So let's keep this a family story, right? But we're just trying to aim that tailbone back and forth so that we can get the spine to move like a serpent or a fish. Anyway, that's my tip this week. I know it seems weird, but it's really good for you, and it's good to have a mobile spine, and just keeps a mobile you, a healthier you. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.